Hello there guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to make this amazing PowerPoint template in just 3 minutes. Let's start. The first thing you have to do is open up a blank slide and change the background fill. The next thing you have to do is insert a rectangle, remove its outline, give it a gradient. Then what we're going to do is just change its fill and the gradient color. So yeah, this color, which is pink, I'm going to use this one. We're just going to change the shades color from what colors option. Then what you're going to do is just insert this arrow. And then what you have to do is just insert a rectangle on top of it. Like on the half bottom, select them and subtract them. Select the shape, duplicate it, and we're just going to flip it. Then we're going to put both the shapes like this. Then let's just select both of these. Change the color of one, and for the other one we're going to use a darker shade for the same color. For the upper one we're going to use the lighter shade. Just duplicate the shape and then we're going to just give it a black fill, then increase its transparency. So yeah, this looks darker. Then we're going to just place it onto the shape. Let's just decrease it, and yeah, this looks just perfect. And what you're going to do is insert a bigger arrow, rotate it to the left side, then we're going to put it right here and make it larger. Then what you're going to do is send the other shapes to the front and the arrow to the back. But make sure that you have already you have to like group all of the shapes that you have on your screen. Then we're just gonna make copies of them. The next thing you have to do is just duplicate them, make more copies. Here we are. Then we're just gonna put them together like this. Then it is time to add your text and other stuff. Here we go. Let's add icons. The next thing you have to do is add the icons. I'm just gonna select some icons. Whatever the icons you want to use, just use them. So here we are. Next, what you have to do is just put your icons and then change the colors, add your text. Here we are. We're just gonna change them and give them a shadow. After giving the shadow, what you have to do is just change the colors. Then we're gonna give it animation. So yeah, that's the final result. Make sure to hit the bell icon and subscribe to my YouTube channel.